Hello everyone, we are student of President University, batch 2024, class 2 accounting, and we are assigned to explain the case below, which is about improving productivity and quality of manufacturing case study as our final exam. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. First, Gina Olivia, Julie V. Irot, and the last, Rahma Zakaria. Let's go straight to the discussion below. Okay, let's discuss about the background and problem of the case. First, background and main problem. Well, those are the challenges mentioned above related to cycle that causes decrease in productivity and quality. Solving this problem will require a holistic approach that considers process improvement, employee engagement, and improved quality control measure. Certainly, let's expand on the background and problem faced by Brightworks Incorporated, while clarifying the challenge and how they are interconnected. Background and main problems. Brightworks Incorporated is a 10 years old company specializing in LED lighting system. Over the years, the company has gained a strong reputation for its innovative product. However, in recent time, it has been struggling to meet the increasing demand of its customer, which is starting to affect both productivity and product quality. During a performance review, CEO Daniel Robert highlighted two critical issues that are directly impacting the company's operating. First, low productivity. The company's production rate is lower than that of its competitor, which results in delay in fulfilling customer orders. This slowdown in production creates a risk of losing market share to more efficient competitors. And two, decreased quality. Over the past year, there has been a significant increase in customer complaints about defective product. The percentage of defective product rose to 15%, raising serious concern about the company's quality control process. To address the issues, Daniel Robert stated Sarah, the operation manager, the task of developing a plan that would boost both productivity and product quality. This case focused on the challenges faced by Brightworks, the possible solution, and their potential implementation. Challenge faced by Brightworks. Several interrelated challenges contribute to the company's low productivity and declining product quality. This issue, if left unaddressed, can worsen and impact the company's competitiveness in the market. The main challenges are: first, inefficient process. The current workflow and production process are not optimized, leading to waste time and resource. Some key issues are: first, outdated equipment. Many machines in use are old and prone to frequent breakdowns. This result is lost time and delay and workers' efforts to deal with equipment failures. The lack of modern and reliable machinery makes it difficult for Brightworks to maintain a competitive edge in terms of production speed. 2. Task switching. The workflow is not streamlined, causing employees to spend significant time switching between tasks or waiting for equipment to be fixed or reset. These inefficiencies contribute to longer production cycle and lower overall output. And last, slower production. Due to inefficiencies in process and equipment, production is lower than competitors, which directly affect in the ability to meet customer demand on time. This leads a backlog or orders and potentially lost sales. Number 2, employee morale. Another significant issue at Brightworks is employee morale, which has been affected by the slow production rate and inefficient process. Some key points to consider are: first, increased pressure on workers. employees are under constant pressure to meet production target, but the delays caused by outdated equipment and inefficient workflows create unrealistic expectations. This results in employees working longer hours or rushing through tasks, which impact their satisfaction and well-being. Number two, limited training opportunities. Many workers have not received sufficient training to keep up with newer technologies or more efficient production technique. The lack of ongoing development contributes to skill gaps and increase the likelihood of mistakes during production. And the last, lower motivation and engagement. As a result of the above factor, employees' morale has suffered. Workers feel frustrated by their inability to meet quality standards due to the lack of proper tools, training, and support. The low morale can lead to disengagement and even higher turnover rates. Quality control issue. One of the most concerning issues is declining quality of product, which has led a rise in customer complaint. The main challenges here are: first, rushed production. The meeting deadlines, employees are often encouraged to work faster, leading to shortcuts being taken during production. This rush to complete tasks result in higher likelihood of defective product reaching customer. Number two, lack of consistent defect training. There is not reliable system in place to track defect and identify recurring issues in the production process. Without proper tracking and analysis, it is difficult to pinpoint the root causes of product defect and implement effective corrective measures. And the last, increasing customer complaint. A result of the quality control issues, the company has seen a 15% increase in customer complaint about defective product. If these issues are not addressed, Brickworks risk dimining in reputation and losing customer trust. Interconnection of the challenge. The challenges faced by Brickworks are deeply interconnected. For example, the inefficient process, outdated equipment, test watching, and slow production lead to employee dissatisfaction because workers feel overworked and stressed, which in turn affect their ability to maintain quality standards. The low production also results in increased pressure on employees, who are forced to meet deadline and choose cut corner or make error leading to more defective product. Finally, the lack of a robust quality control system makes it difficult to identify and address the root cause and defect, which continues to fuel both the declining quality and low productivity. Solution and holistic approach. To address this interconnected challenge, Brightworks will need a holistic approach that targets all aspects of the business. This should include: first one, improving process, upgrading machinery, invest in new and reliable machines that can improve production speed and reduce downtime. This will directly boost productivity and ensure the company is more competitive in terms of meeting customer demand. Optimize workflow. Streamline production process to minimize task switch and wasted time. Implement lean manufacturing principle where possible to reduce inefficient and improve output. The next, employee engagement and training. Training and development, providing ongoing training programs to improve employee skill and ensure they are familiar with the latest production technique and technology. This will help address skill gaps and improve morale. Supportive work environment. Foster a work culture that focuses on collaboration, feedback, and mutual support. Address employee concern about workload and ensure they have the tools and resources they need to succeed. And the last, strengthening quality control, implement a defect tracking system, introduce a robust system that track product defect, analyze their cause, and develop target solution. This will help identify partner and prevent future defect. Balanced product deadlines. Set realistic product goals that allow employees to focus on quality while meeting deadline, avoiding reducing production at the expense of quality. By tackling the issue holistically, Breadwork can improve its productivity, enhance product quality, and maintain its reputation as an innovative leader in the LED lighting industry.
Okay, this time we will discuss about proposed improvement plan. Sarah is the operations manager, has developed a comprehensive improvement plan that focuses on three main areas to overcome the challenges faced by Brightworks Incorporated. What are the three main things? This multifaceted approach aims to simultaneously increase productivity and improve product quality. The first one is streamline the process. The first area of improvement involves redesigning the workflow to reduce wasted time, increase efficiency, and eliminate obstacles in the production process. This will be achieved through several strategies. Analyzing current processes, the team will conduct a thorough review of the current production processes to identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas where time is being wasted. This can involve mapping out workflows and looking for redundant steps that could be removed or optimized. Redesigning the workflow, once the obstacles are identified, the processes will be redesigned to make them more efficient. This includes eliminating delays caused by task switching and reducing the time between production stage. A streamlined workflow will allow employees to focus on their tasks without unnecessary interruptions. Improving machinery and equipment. Outdated and unreliable equipment is a major issue at Brightworks. By upgrading to modern and reliable machinery, the company can significantly reduce downtime caused by breakdowns, which will help increase production speed. New equipment will also improve product quality by ensuring the products are made with greater precision and consistency. Predictive maintenance. To ensure that machines run efficiently and with minimal downtime, predictive maintenance will be introduced. This approach involves regularly checking and maintaining machines to identify potential issues before they cause breakdowns, thus preventing unexpected downtimes that slow down productions. The next is invest in energy efficient machinery. In addition to improving productivity, Sarah recommends investing in energy efficient machines that reduce operating costs while improving production speed and quality. Energy efficient machines help reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable manufacturing process. The second one is employee training and engagement. Employees play a crucial role in achieving both productivity and quality goals. Sarah's plan places great emphasis on training and employee engagement, which are key to maintaining a motivated and highly skilled workforce. So, regular training programs. Sarah plans to implement comprehensive training sessions for employees. These training programs will focus on lean manufacturing techniques. Employees will be trained in lean manufacturing principles, which focus on minimizing waste and improving efficiency. The next is quality control processes. Employees will also learn how to monitor and maintain quality standards throughout the production process from start to finish. An effective use of new machines. Training will also include instruction on how to use the new machinery efficiently and effectively to reduce errors and increase productivity. Next is employee engagement and motivation. To keep employees motivated, Sarah's plan includes reward system that recognize both individual and team achievement. Employees will be rewarded for meeting productivity and quality targets, encouraging them to consistently perform at their best. Next is suggestion system. An important aspect of employee engagement is giving workers a voice in how processes are improved. A suggestion system will be implemented, allowing employees to propose ideas for process enhancement or improvement that can contribute to overall productivity and product quality. This not only boosts morale but also taps into the creativity and insight of those working directly on the production line. The next one is team building activities. Building a strong, communicative, and collaborative team is essential for maintaining high morale and ensuring effective collaboration across all levels of production. Regular team building activities will help improve communication between employees, promote a positive work culture, and foster better cooperation between departments. And the last one is improve quality control. To tackle the issues related to declining product quality and the 50% rise in customer complaints, Sarah has proposed a robust plan to improve quality control. Quality inspection at every stage of production, instead of waiting until the end of the production process to inspect products. Sarah's plan includes implementing quality inspection at every stage. This proactive approach allows the team to catch issues early, before they become larger problems. By identifying defects in real time, the company can quickly make adjustments and reduce the number of defective products. Data analysis tools for defect tracking. A key part of improving quality control is being able to track defects and analyze their causes. Sarah proposed the use of data analysis tools that will allow the team to gather detailed data on defects, identify recurring issues, and trace the root causes of defects. This will enable the company to implement targeted improvement and preventive measures to reduce future defects. Root cause analysis. The data collected will also be used to conduct root cause analysis to understand why defects occur. By solving the underlying causes rather than just addressing the symptoms, Brightworks can achieve long-term improvement in product quality. Last but not least, standardized quality control procedures. To ensure consistency in quality, standardized quality control procedures will be established across all stages of production. This ensures that every product meets the same high standard no matter who is working on it or when it is produced. And then, the last part is about implementation, tasks, and strategies. To implement this improvement plan effectively, Sarah's team should focus on three key areas: process improvement, employee engagement, and quality control. Below are the tasks or strategies within each area. The first is process improvement. So they are value stream mapping, 5S method, predictive maintenance, and invest in equipment. For value stream mapping, conduct a detailed analysis of the production process to identify inefficiencies and streamline operations. This method will highlight bottlenecks and areas of waste. For 5S method, implement the 5S methodology: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain to organize the workplace for maximum efficiency. By keeping work areas clean and organized, employees can focus on their tasks without distraction or unnecessary movement. For predictive maintenance, establish a predictive maintenance schedule to reduce downtime. Regular maintenance check will prevent unexpected breakdowns and improve machine reliability. And the last, for invest in equipment. Upgrade outdated machinery with energy efficient and modern equipment to improve both productivity and product quality. Next is employee engagement. There are training programs for launch regular training sessions on lean manufacturing, quality control processes, and the use of new equipment. Suggestion system. Implement a suggestion system where employees can propose ideas for improving processes or solving problems they face on the shop floor. Reward system. Develop a reward system to recognize and incentivize teams and individuals who meet or exceed productivity and quality goals. And the last is team building activities. To organize team building activities to promote better communication, collaboration, and morale among employees.
Okay, the next one is expanded quality control enhancement. To ensure the company improves product quality and maintains customer satisfaction, Sarah's plan proposed several advanced strategies for quality control enhancement. The first one is Statistical Process Control or SPC. SPC or Statistical Process Control is a critical tool for ensuring that production processes stay within specific quality limits. By continuously monitoring production in real time using statistical methods, Sarah's team can detect any variations or deviations from the desired quality level as they occur. The data collected allows operators to make adjustments immediately, minimizing waste and defect. This proactive approach reduces the risk of producing defective product and ensure a smoother production flow. The second one is Digital Quality Management System or QMS. Implementing a digital QMS will streamline the process of tracking defects and identifying trends over time. This system will help Brightworks company efficiently track defects, analyze their causes, and measure the effectiveness of corrective action. By digitizing the quality control process, employees can access real-time data, which enables quicker responses to quality issues and support decision-making. Furthermore, the QMS or Quality Management System will help identify recurring problems, allowing for targeted improvements and preventive measures. The third one is Automate Inspection with AI. Leveraging artificial intelligence, or we call it as AI, Automate inspection will help maintain constant quality throughout production. Artificial intelligence, or we call it as AI, system can be trained to detect defect with a higher level of proficiency than human inspectors. Automate inspection not only improve the speed of quality control, but also reduce human error. With consistent, automate quality checks, Brightworks company can ensure that only products meeting the highest standards reach customers. And the fourth one is cross-functional teams. To address the root causes of quality issues, Brightworks will form cross-functional teams that include members from different departments such as production, quality control, and engineering. These teams will work collaboratively to investigate systemic issues and implement solutions. Cross-functional teams can help identify and eliminate bottlenecks in the process, optimize workflows, and ensure that everyone in the company is aligned with the goal of delivering high-quality products. Okay, so let's talk about regular reviews and clear milestones. To ensure that the improvement plan stays on track and is successfully executed, regular reviews and clear milestones will be established. These reviews will evaluate the progress of each phase of the plan, assess the success of implemented strategies, and adapt them as needed. Regular monitoring of key performance indicators or KPIs like defect rates, productivity, and employee satisfaction will provide the necessary feedback to continuously refine the plan. This structured and dynamic approach ensure that Brightworks Inc. company can respond to challenges as they arise and adjust strategies for optimal outcomes. The next one is conclusion. As Brightworks Inc. begins its journey toward enhancing productivity and quality, there are several important considerations that need to be carefully addressed to ensure success. Number one is measuring success. It is crucial for Brightworks to monitor the right metrics to track the success of its improvement initiatives. Key performance indicators or KPIs will include: the first one is overall equipment effectiveness or OEE. This metric measures that efficiency of equipment in terms of availability, performance, and quality. It provides a comprehensive view of how well production equipment is utilized. The second one is defect rate. This will track the percentage of defective products produced during a certain period. Monitoring this metric will allow the team to assess whether quality improvements are effectively reducing defects. And the third one is on-time delivery percentage. This KPI measures the company's ability to meet deadlines and deliver products to customers as promised. Delays in delivery can result in customer dissatisfaction and lost sale. And the last one is employee satisfaction score. Monitoring this score is essential to understanding how employees feel about the improvements, particularly with respect to training and engagement. A happy, well-trained workforce is more productive and committed to maintaining high standards. By tracking these metrics, Brightworks can get a holistic view of its performance and determine if the changes are driving the desired improvements. Number two is the impact of employee engagement. Employee engagement plays a vital role in the success of this improvement plan. When employees feel involved and valued, they take greater ownership of their task, which leads to: the first one is fewer errors. Engaged employees are more likely to pay attention to details and follow quality protocols. The second one is higher productivity. Motivated employees are more efficient in their work, leading to faster production times and lower operational cost. The third one is better morale. Employees who feel supported and trained will experience less burnout and frustration, reducing turnover and maintaining a stable workforce. The plan's success will depend on strong communication, employee feedback, and management support at all levels. It is essential to ensure that employees are not only involved in the process, but also equipped with the skills and resources they need to succeed. Number three is balancing speed and quality. One of the most critical aspects of the improvement plan is ensuring that increasing productivity does not result in a compromise in product quality. Sarah must implement safeguards to maintain balance between the two goals. The first goal is quality inspection during production will allow employees to identify problems early on before they escalate into larger defects. And the second is employees will be encouraged to stop the production line if they detect a quality issues, ensuring that no defective products move forward. This empowers workers to maintain high standard without fear of reprimand for taking the time to ensure quality. This approach ensures that meeting customers' demand does not override the company's commitment to producing high-quality products. Number 4 is risk of neglecting quality. It is essential for Brightworks to avoid focusing solely on productivity at the expense of quality. Failing to maintain quality while increasing output could lead to number 1 is customer complaints about defective products, which may result in damaged relationship and lost sales. Number 2 is brand reputation damage, as customer begins to associate the company with poor quality products. Number 3 is market share loss, due to the competitors providing superior quality products. By adopting a balanced approach, Brightworks can continue to meet customers' expectations while improving efficiency, ensuring long-term success in a competitive market. And the last one is final thoughts. The comprehensive plan developed by Sarah offers a roadmap for Brightworks Inc. to enhance its productivity and quality in a way to strengthen its competitive position in the market. Through target improvements in process design, employee training, and quality controls measures, the company can meet customers' demand while maintaining high standards. The success of this initiative will rely on careful execution, continuous monitoring, and adaptation of the strategies as needed. With strong leadership, clear communication, and commitment to improve at every level, Brightworks has the potential to transform its operation, improve product quality, and ensure sustained business growth. Okay, so that's all about our material as our final exam assignment. We are from Group 7 from President University Accounting Batch 2024. We want to say thank you and see you!